Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Wave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sports, stock reference number 3826. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight, which requires a polish, right hand fog light, right hand bumper flasher, left hand bumper flasher, left hand fog light, left hand headlight requiring a polish. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front's got a ball tyre. Left power door mirror indicator type, non-heated type, 5-wire type. Left door, front, 2 small dents. Left rear door only has 1 small dent. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail lighting in condition. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light also in good condition. It's got a Heyman Reese tow bar supplied with ball bolts, brackets, loom, less neck. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent and a tiny dent on the chrome mould. Right front door has a couple of small dents. Right power door mirror, non-heated type, 5-wire type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch in black. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. There's a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average condition steering wheel, black leather with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.